A triangle of perimeter 56 has sides in the ratio 6:3:5. I like 6:3:5. I'm going to keep any ratio like this as a starting point for any question that I do. 6:3:5. There are three different things, but they can all be captured with just one variable: 6x, 3x, 5x. The ratio is 6:3:5. This is the ratio. We can assume the actual number to be 6x, 3x, and 5x. So we have a triangle which has sides 6x, 3x, 5x. The perimeter will be 6x plus 3x plus 5x, which is given to be 56 centimeters. 14x equals 56 centimeters, or x is 4 centimeters. How 4? 56 by 14, 28 by 7, which is 4. Find the difference between the longest and the shortest side of the triangle. Longest side is 6x. Shortest is 3x. 6x is 6 into 4, 24. 3x is 3 into 4, 12. The difference is 24 minus 12, which is 12 centimeters. The 6x side measures 24. 3x side measures 12. 5x side will measure 20. 5 into 4, 3 into 4, 6 into 4. The difference between longest and shortest is 12 centimeters.